In the box, there's a quick start guide, the music box, a power block and cord for the music box, an aux cord, and an RCA to 3.5 millimeter adapter to connect the music box to your audio system if you don't want to use the microphone. Please note, depending on your audio system, you may need different connections, but these should cover most scenarios. Plug the music box into a power outlet using the included power cable. Press the Settings tab in the Jellyfish Cloud app, press Music, then Pair Music Box. Press Allow and allow Jellyfish Lighting to find local Bluetooth devices. Select a music box in the Discovered Music Box list. If you're connecting your music box to the same Wi-Fi your controller is on, your Wi-Fi credentials should populate automatically. If your controller is hardwired, or if you need to connect your music box to a different Wi-Fi, manually enter the Wi-Fi credentials and press Connect. Connect the music box to the audio source using the included audio cables or the microphone. If using the microphone, make sure the music box is next to the audio source with the microphone on and the speaker volume loud enough for it to detect, usually around 25% or higher. If using audio cables, keep the microphone off for a better experience. One common scenario for using the audio cables is through Alexa. If you'd like to see more scenarios, visit the Music Box section of our online help center at jellyfishlighting.com/musicbox. To connect your music box to Alexa, please note that 2 Alexa devices are needed since most smart speakers mute their speaker when an aux cord is plugged in. One Alexa device must have an audio jack for the music box to be wired into, and the second will be your speaker where you want the music playing. To get started, make sure that both Alexas are plugged in and connected to Wi-Fi. In the Alexa app, press Combine Speakers, select Multi-Room Music, select the 2 Alexas, and name your speaker group. Make sure the volume of the Alexa that's plugged into the music box is high enough to detect music. For this scenario, we recommend around 75% volume. Also be sure that the mic on the music box is switched off. You can now tell Alexa to play your song or playlist name on the speaker group you just created. For example, say, "Alexa, play Thriller on the Party Time group." Preset and custom music patterns are in the Music tab in the Jellyfish app. To create a music pattern, you can either modify an existing pattern or create a new one. To create a new music pattern, make sure you're on the Music tab in the Jellyfish app and click plus in the upper right corner. Select the zones you want to play your pattern on, then select the music pattern type. Energy pulses outward from the center and works great with most music types. Zen is a smooth color gradient that cycles through your color palette. The cycling speed increases with the music energy and the brightness pulses to the beat, best for slower music. Frequency band divides your lights into sections. As a frequency plays, that color will brighten or dim. This pattern works well for all music types. Some customers use frequency band before creating a new pattern for a song to know which frequencies are present in that song, since you set a color for each frequency. So if the color is lighting up, you know that frequency is present in that song. Bar overlay creates an animated bar meter that grows and shrinks from the center with music intensity, best for songs with bass. Ripple creates outward moving waves that travel across the lights. It's best for songs with distinguishable beats. Splash fades sections in and out with the beat. Some additional notes are, the setting options change based on the music pattern type you choose. Click the frequency dropdowns to change the frequency selected. Click a color to change the color. Increasing the sliders makes the frequencies more reactive or sensitive. To modify an existing pattern, click into the one you want to edit, press the adjust icon, change the settings, and press save.